Hi everyone, welcome to Malaysia's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Penang Hokkien Char or fried fresh yellow noodles. This is one of the famous street food that you can find in Penang, Malaysia. You will see street vendors selling them at different times of the day, from breakfast, lunch or dinner. And also as well in overseas, you can find them in any typical Malaysian restaurant. So we have here in front of us 1 kilo of fresh yellow noodles. You can get this at the Asian supermarket. 300 grams of chicken breast, slice them up thinly. About 12 prawns, shell and wash, and I'm just leaving a bit of the tail shell on. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using coconut oil today, but you can use any oil you're using at home. 1 fish cake, slice them up. This again can be, you can get them at the Asian supermarket. 6 cloves of garlic. And then we're using Shanghai Bok Choy today instead of choy sum. You can use either one of those. And yeah, it's about in a packet about 3 to 4 stalks of choy sum or Shanghai Bok Choy. Quarter cabbage, cut, slice them up. And then we have 500 ml of chicken stock. In here 2 teaspoons of corn flour with 3 tablespoons of water. And we're using all the different sauce to make this noodles. So we have here oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to finish off the noodles with a teaspoon of the sesame oil, half teaspoon of the chicken stock powder, and we garnish on top fried shallot and the chili sambal belacan chili paste. You can find this in my previous video for nasi lemak, how to make this sambal belacan. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going to marinate the chicken. So in the chicken, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of the light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of the oyster sauce, about 1 teaspoon of sweet soy sauce, dash of pepper. Marinate this, stir them in. So next we are going to get in a bowl, put in all the seasoning sauce. We're going to put in 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 of the light soy sauce, 3 of the dark soy sauce, 2 of the sweet soy sauce. So we're going to leave that aside as well. So in a wok, we're going to heat up the wok on medium heat. We're just going to sear the prawns. And the fish cake. Now I'm just gonna lower the heat and just gonna take it out of the wok so we're not overcooking the prawns. Setting it aside, and then we add in about 1/4 of the garlic. And we fry this to light golden brown. I'm gonna add in the chicken. Just gonna add in about a quarter cup of water. Let the chicken cook, and then we're gonna remove it up as well. So now just checking, the chicken is now cooked. So we're going to reduce the heat again and just transfer into the bowl where we put all the prawns and the fish cake, and leave it aside because you don't want the chicken to overcook. So now we're going to increase the heat again. Add the rest of the cooking oil. And the rest of the garlic. Get in the cabbage. And half of the chicken stock. Just gonna let the cabbage soften a little bit. So now the cabbage is softened, but we are just going to add the Shanghai Bok Choy now, the noodles, all the sauce, the balance of the chicken stock. So we're just going to cover and let it simmer for about a minute. So now we are going to stir the noodles again. Stirring. And we're going to add back the meat into the noodles. Also the corn flour mixture. Thicken up the gravy. So if you like it a bit darker, you can add in a tablespoon of dark soy sauce so the noodles will look a bit darker. A teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. I'm just going to let this simmer for another minute or two. Cover it up. Just put it on medium heat. So now just checking it again. Make sure it's all done. Looks really good. It's all stirring well, and you can just taste and see. Delicious. So now it's cooked. Dinner is served. So here is our Penang Hokkien Char, all ready to be served. You can just garnish it with fried shallot on top and serve with sambal belacan if you like it spicy. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.